to solve for x in this equation, we need to first rewrite this expression 4 raised to power x plus 1. So to rewrite this using the rule of indices, we then have this to be equals to 4 raised to power x multiplied by 4 raised to power 1. Then inserting this back into the equation, we then have 4 x plus 4 x multiplied by 4. Everything gives us 80. So from here we can factor out 4 raised to power x. Then we have 4 raised to power x into bracket 1 plus 4 into bracket equals to 80. From there, this gives us 4 raised to power x, then multiply by 5. If we add this 1 plus 4 together, then everything gives us 80. So from here, we need to isolate 4x by dividing 5 by both sides. This gives us 4 raised to power x multiplied by 5 divided by 5 equals to 80 divided by 5. So this 5 cancel this 5. We have 4 x raised to 4 raised to power x equals to 80 over 5. Then from here we can divide the left hand side to have 4 raised to power x gives us 80 divided by 5 gives us 16. So we then have to solve for x. So here we have 4 raised to power x equals to 16. So by writing the 16 as a power like the left hand side, we then have 4 raised to power x. This then gives us 4 raised to power 2, which means 4 times 4 is 16. So since the base are the same, then we equate the power together. So this goes. We then have x equals to 2. So our final answer is 2. Here comes the end of today's lesson. Bye for now. We'll see you in the next video.